Hi everyone, welcome back to Save and Serve with Steph. Today I'm going to be making a recipe that has been passed down from my husband's side of the family, a few generations here. It's called Halushki, if memory serves me right. Not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but anyway, it's very simple when you get into it. Right now, as you can see, I do have some leftover cabbage. That's why it's all wrapped up in plastic wrap. So we'll be using that. This, I looked it up. It's basically called a German spaetzle maker. There's a bunch of different varieties and versions on Amazon you can get, but we have this plastic one that just places over a pot of boiling water. You put the dough in and sort of scrape it through the holes. But yeah, also doing a quick Google search because it has been quite a few years since I have made this. Halushki, there are a bunch of different variations. Mostly comes from like Eastern European countries like that, but there's a bunch of different variations depending on where it's from. The one that I am doing, it looks to be more like Slovakian version. But yeah, other than that, let's get started.